Well, welcome to part 2 of my video pulling the camshaft out of my Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi in it. And this is the camshaft that I removed in the last video. You can see that lobe right there from cylinder number 4. You can see the shadow of it, how bad it is. The odd thing to me is that Dodge or Chrysler actually has a core charge on this camshaft. They want me to give it back to them. I would prefer to keep it as a trophy, but I'd rather get the $100 back. I think they're trying to prevent these from accumulating in garages so that they don't end up with a class action lawsuit, possibly having to recall these. It would definitely put the company out of business if they had to do something like that. Anyway, let's get going. It's probably hard to see, but I have top dead center marked on the timing chain right here in white. And I also have it marked on the gear on the front of the camshaft. Next, I'm going to, without losing tension from the bottom, align the two marks up, hopefully ensuring that I've kept everything at top dead center. The two heads on the engine. I got all the lifting rods and the valve lifters, or the rocker arms, back in place on both of them. Now we're going to move on to the timing cover. Hang on, there's a bee flying around my hand. Alright, anyway, get away. Alright, moving on. Chain cover and the water pump are back on. Now I'm going to put the 2 valve covers back on and the intake manifold. Only 30? How come I don't believe that? How come I feel like that's not enough? The book I'm looking at said 30 pounds. Now it's time for everybody's favorite memory game. Which way did that belt go? kind of exciting. Got oil in it, coolant in it. I just did an oil change. I checked it all. I'm gonna start it up. I'm not going to start it up. I'm going to hook up the manifold to the exhaust first. So we don't wake up the neighbors. What a freaking bonnet. That would suck. Okay, take two. Now I think I have everything.